Hello and welcome to the Urban Soul Chef. Today we're going to cook lemon buttermilk pound cake. Set your oven first of all at 325 degrees. And what you need to do also is take out all of the ingredients. Let them sit probably about an hour so that they can get at room temperature. Your eggs, your buttermilk, your butter, your lemons even. And we have our lemon zest here. And next what we want to do is get all of our dry ingredients, sift all our dry ingredients, set them aside. And you'll find all the ingredients in the descriptions as well. All right, first of all, we want to cream together the butter. First, you cream the butter by itself. Make sure that it's very creamy. Then you'll add the sugar to it. That looks good. And actually, I put this clip in backwards. This clip should have been before the last clip, but that's the way the butter looks once you cream it together. All right, next we're gonna add our eggs at room temperature, and we wanna add them one at a time. The reason we're adding them one at a time so that they can whip that butter and the sugar up real good, and also so that each one can be integrated one at a time so that we won't have an eggy taste to our cake. Also, what this does is this whips air. I don't know if I just said that, but it whips air into the cake, and that air is going to make the cake fluffy. I don't like a cake that has little pockets of clustered sugar that didn't cook too well. All right, you want to free the mixer, because sometimes in these type mixers, the bottom doesn't fully get blended in, so you have to go in and manually do it and then free it up and it'll blend in. All right, we're going to mix together our milk, our liquids. I'm not going to go through telling you what everything is. It's in the description, but we're mixing all the liquids together now. This is the lemon zest. And sometimes I like to add a little extra lemon zest because I love lemon cakes that have a strong lemon flavor. Also, do not, whatever you do not use lemon juice that comes out of a bottle. Don't do it. Don't do it. All right, now I'm adding in the dry ingredients, mixing them into the butter and sugar mixture, gradually mixing them in so that the flour can be coated by the butter and sugar, well coated. And this is speeded up as well, so I didn't do it this fast. Speed it up. I know y'all are busy out there and you ain't got time to see it in real time. All right, looks good. You do this so that you can mix it all well. All right, now we're adding the wet ingredients, the liquids. Get it all in there. That's where your flavor is right there. All right, you're mixing that around. And hey, if you try this, do it for a holiday or just do it any day of the year. Come back and write comments. Let us know how it tastes. And I don't think you can add pictures, but if you could add pictures, I'd love to see pictures of what your cake actually looked like. All right, you're mixing this together well. Take your time in mixing. Don't get on a hurry when you're making a cake. Take your time. Now this, as I said, this is fast forward. I've speeded this up probably double or 3 times what it actually was mixing. But take your time in mixing. Look how creamy that is. You want the air to get in, and you want all of the ingredients, the flour, especially what we're doing is coating the flour. All right, and we already have the cake pan pre-oiled and dusted with flour. Pour this in here like this. Oh man, that looks good. I remember growing up, we used to sit around the table when my mom used to make cakes and we lick the bowl. The raw cake, and I know they don't do it now. I still do though, but I know people don't do it now, eat raw cake mix, but it is so delicious. And you know, we never got sick off of eating it either. All right, the stove is already set at 325, I believe it is. And it's very important to have that stove already at 325 rather than trying to set it once you finish cooking. You're gonna make a mess with your cake. All right, we're gonna let time do what it does. Oh, that looks good. And it smells so good too. You can smell the lemon. Wow, that smells good. All right, look also in the description and you'll see the lemon glaze that goes on here. While it's cooking, put together that lemon glaze. And like I say, I like to add extra lemon flavor to mine, lemon juice and lemon zest. All right, it's about time to take it out. If you try this, I hope you really enjoy it as well. All right, that's pretty much it. What I need you to do, if you have not hit that like button, hit the like button for me. If you haven't subscribed, do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. And if you would, share some of my videos on here as well. Share them and go to my website, urbansoulchef.com, and subscribe to that as well so that you'll be notified when we have new recipes, new videos. And I'm working on a cookbook as well, so subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you once again for coming and being a guest in the Urban Soul Kitchen. God bless you, and you guys have a great day.